Conversation for shopping and market trips. At the supermarket.
Excuse me, where can I find the dairy products?
They're in aisle 5, next to the eggs.
Do you have organic vegetables?
Yes, they're over there in the fresh produce section.
Can I get a bag, please?
Sure, here you go.
How much is this pack of rice?
It's $12.50.
Is this item on sale?
Yes, it's 20% off today.
At a clothing store.
Do you have this shirt in a larger size?
Let me check. Yes, we have XL.
Can I try this dress on?
Sure, the fitting rooms are over there.
What's the material of this jacket?
It's 100% cotton.
Do you have this in another color?
Yes, it's also available in blue and green.
Is there a discount if I buy 2?
Yes, you'll get 10% off for 2 items.
During checkout.
Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, we accept Visa and MasterCard.
Do you accept cash only?
No, we take both cash and card payments.
Can I return this item if it doesn't fit?
Yes, you can return it within 14 days.
Do you have a loyalty program?
Yes, you can earn points for every purchase.
Could you gift wrap this for me, please?
Sure, it'll take a couple of minutes.
Bargaining the price.
How much is this handbag?
It's $50.
Can you give me a discount?
Okay, I can lower it to $45.
What's your best price?
For you, it's $40.
If I buy 2, can you make it cheaper?
Yes, I'll give you both for $70.
That's too expensive. Can you lower the price?
All right, how about $35?